Hi everybody and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you decide if it's going to change from a want to a need. Now we film live here with no edits. I prepare and do as much as I can ahead of time because as soon as I know something, I want you to know it too so that we can be in the know together. So if you're interested in these type of informative videos, then make sure to press that subscribe button. It is free. You could ring that bell for a new video notification, and don't forget to press that thumbs up. That should help this video to grow and hopefully find others who enjoy this type of content. They just haven't found Truewants just yet. So thank you to everybody that as soon as you arrive, you've been hitting that thumbs up. So thank you for that. But if you're looking just for a quick update, you can always head over to my Instagram, or my name there is Truewants with the number 2. The links for that and any other links or discount codes that I have are always found in the description box right underneath this video. But the most important takeaway about this channel is we truly have created a community here at Truewants where we solely talk about the brands, the products, of course these deals, with spoilers on subscription boxes too. And I always look forward to seeing you in the comments where I do my best to respond to all. As always, I appreciate when you can watch in full. And if you would like to contribute dollars to the channel, that's what the thanks button is for right underneath this video. So now let's get started because this was an absolute surprise. Over the weekend, I was able to do a video where I was sharing that we had some amazing things to look forward to in the month of November that was going to happen in the shop. And as I share with you all the time, at the beginning of the week and at the end of the week, the IPSY shop changes where they add some new items to the shop. And ironically, they added some of the bundles that we got some sneak peeks on, but there was more. So now we have also the information on each one of the bundles so we could learn a little bit more to help us make our decisions a little bit easier, because just by setting it up the pictures, I have some decisions to make. And because of that, I went back into my FabFitFun box, which, as you know, you can go in and change your customizations and your add-ons and all of that. I took a lot out of my FabFitFun box to make room in my budget for what IPSY is offering now in these bundles. I think they're out of this world. It is going to be hard for me to have a decision made. So if you are part of this channel, please take the time to share in the comments your decisions as well. And especially if you've had the opportunity to try any of the products that we're going to go through. All right, so let's get started with the first bundle. Now remember, some of these we got some sneak peeks and some are brand new. This is going to be the Ole Hendrickson holiday bundle. Everything in here is full size. This is going to be $60 and the retail of this is $234. They're saying this is a set of must-haves for hydrating and making your skin happy, starting with the Ole Hendrickson Banana Bright Eye Cream. Now, you all know these are all products that I have tried and enjoy, and this is a line that I think if you have not tried Ole Hendrickson, this is an amazing, amazing value. It says, this eye cream is nothing short of magical. This is a lightweight cream that brightens your dark circles both now and later thanks to a yellow tint and that vitamin C. It will smooth your crow's feet, it will deeply hydrate, and it creates the perfect canvas for a crease-free concealer application. The other items in here, we have the Skin Barrier Strengthening Moisturizer with peptides and niacinamide. This is also full size. It's going to be a 50 ml. And they're saying this daily moisturizer is packed with peptides, collagen, and hyaluronic acid to help double the hydration, boost elasticity, and improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles, while also helping in reinforcing the moisture barrier. The other items in here is the Hydra Barrier, which is a facial oil. This is going to be a 30 ml and it is also full size. And this barrier boosting face oil is made with skin supporting peptides and pure Scandinavian berry oils to help lock in all day hydration. It visibly improves uneven texture and supports your strong skin. And then finally, they have in here the Double Rewind 0.3% pro-grade retinol serum. This is a 30 ml and also full size. And it says turn back time with this innovative retinol serum is designed to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, featuring a powerful blend of encapsulating vitamin A, a pro-vitamin A, and soothing aloe vera. This is a pro-grade serum that helps to soothe, resurface your skin, even your tone, and help restore with radiant glow. Really, really a fantastic kit and a fantastic value. The next one is going to be one that we got a small sneak peek on. This is from Fenty Beauty. This is their holiday bundle, and they're saying this one is going to cost us $42.99 if you're a member of IPSY, and then the full retail price is $109. Now this here, it says the items in here, they're saying they're going to be head-turning glam. The first item that they're showing is called the Fenty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer in Butter Biscuit. This is also full size. This is a light as air cream bronzer that easily melts into your skin, giving you that instant buildable kiss of sun. The Butter Biscuit is a light tan shade with neutral undertones. The next item in here is the Glitty Lid Shimmer in a liquid liner in Ritzy Rose. This is going to be full size as well. It says make a statement with this rose liquid shimmer eyeliner. Whether you are into fine lines, thick flicks, graphic shades, or graffiti, this is a long wear liner that does the trick. The next item is their Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick in Retro Rose. This is a lightweight cream lipstick that delivers sheer dusty rose color and shine. It is clinically proven to moisture lock your formula with pomegranate butter that helps condition your lips for instant powderier, fuller looking lips. And it says the next item is going to be the Full Frontal Volume Lift Curl Mascara. This is also full size. And give your lashes an instant boost with the help of this long wear mascara that features a special flat to fat wand for ultra volume, length, and lift. The set also comes beautifully packaged in a giftable box, making it the perfect ready-to-give surprise for everyone on your list. And it says if your order includes the holiday bundle along with other products, your items may arrive in separate packages. The next item that we have here is going to be from Fresh. And this is their holiday bundle that is going to cost us $40. And this has a value of over $111. And they're saying this Fresh bundle will fill your routine with a dreamy fragrances. Starting with the Hesperides Grapefruit Eau de Parfum, this will be a 9 ml deluxe mini. It says transport yourself to the warmth of an Italian summer in the Grapefruit Eau de Parfum. It has a bursting and bright pink grapefruit and a medley of citrus notes. The clean and energize the scent is your new sunny day essential. The next item is going to be the Jasmine Eau de Parfum. This is going to be a 30 ml in a full size. It says embrace the freshness of the new beginnings with a Lily Jasmine Eau de Parfum, an enchanting floral escape featuring delicate notes of white bell buds, the jasmine sambac, and soothing lavender. This wild yet dreamy fragrance captures the essence of springtime. The next one is going to be the Rose Morning Hand Body Wash in a 300 ml in the full size. It says turn your shower into a spa with this indulgent pH balanced foaming gel that is enriched with vitamin C and E and glycerin. That's soft, smooth, and will help smooth our skin. We will enjoy the notes of rose, peach, and musk while gently cleansing and hydrating for that velvety touch feel. The next bundle is going to be from Tula. Can you get over these bundles and these brands? Their holiday bundle is going to cost us $45, and it has a $178 value. They're saying a set of Tula faves of nourishing, glowing skin. The first item is the cult classic Purifying Face Cleanser. This is a 6.70 ounce. It is a full size. This gentle gel-based formula helps to purify your skin while melting away dirt, oil, and makeup. It's infused with probiotic extracts, turmeric, white tea, and blueberry. This cleanser is like refreshing reset for your complexion to keep your skin balanced and glowing. The next item in this bundle is the Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. This is going to be also full size and says talk about a multitasker. This 2-in-1 day and night is clinically proven to help moisturize, smooth, and balance your skin with a blend of squalene, peptides, and probiotics. The next item in here is the Glow and Get It. It is a cooling and brightening eye balm. This is going to also be full size. This is a 4-in-1 eye balm that instantly helps to cool, brighten, and hydrate, and minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles thanks to the probiotics of the caffeine and the plant-based oils. And all of these products I have tried and I'm enjoying. This one, the next item in here is the Ultra Hydration Triple Hydra Complex Day and Night Serum. This is full size, and this is one that I just got, I think, in last month's box, and I used it all the way to the end. It was phenomenal. This is plump up your glow with this innovative serum. It is a multitasking marvel that locks in moisture for a full 24 hours, featuring 3 molecule weights of hyaluronic acid and polyglutamate acid to give our skin a plump, hydrating boost. This set comes beautifully packaged in a giftable box, making it that perfect ready-to-give surprise for everyone on your list. But if your order includes this holiday bundle, along with other products, your items may arrive in separate packages. The next one is one that we got a sneak peek on, and this is from Buxom. This is their holiday bundle. The cost on this is going to be $34.99, and the retail on this is $122. And it says a Buxom cosmetic makeup bundle is gorgeous for your eyes and your lips. The first item is going to be the full-on lip polish in Sandy. This is full size. It says get fuller lips with this nude pink shimmer plumping lip polish. This is a high shine non-sticky formula that glides on effortlessly, delivering a slight tingle as the unique peptide complex helps plump and the vitamin E nourishes for your skin's luscious, they're saying, lips. It says with mesmerizing shimmer finish and deliciously sugared vanilla scent. This formula is perfect for that pout in a tube. The next item in here is going to be their lash mascara. This is also full size. It says give yourself a lash lift with this cult favorite mascara. This is a unique hourglass shaped brush that grips every hard to reach lash for dramatic definition and major length. It is infused with rich black pigments, vitamins, and antioxidants. This mascara helps to nourish and soften for that fierce, flexible, fanned out lash. The next item in this bundle is from Plump Shot. Their Plump Shot, it's all Buxom. This is a lip serum in filler. It is clear. This is going to be full size. It says enter your faux filler era with this clear lip serum. It is stacked with vegan collagen peptides and hyaluronic acid and moisturizing botanical oils like jojoba and avocado to help your lips look their absolute best. The next item in this kit is the one that is their Power line. This is their plumping lip liner in Hush Hush Henna. This is also going to be full size. It says plump up your lip line with a pigmented packed cinnamon liner that delivers a fuller looking pout and a waterproof color. Plus, the chiseled tip never needs sharpening, so you don't have to worry about it. The next item in this kit is a powerful lip balm in Inner Glow that is full size as well. This is a power up fuller look lips with this nude lip balm. Once you apply, the plush balm reacts to your pH level and blooms into that perfect natural tint for that perfect flush. The next group of products is another brand that I love called Kapari. This is their holiday bundle that's also $35 and the retail is $76. And it says this trio of Kapari Beauty Essentials will be for nourishing our skin, starting with the Hydrating Body Milk Lotion that is an 8.45 ounce. It is full size and so creamy and moisturizing. This gentle daily lotion absorbs quickly without leaving your skin feeling greasy with any residue for that silky smooth hydrated skin. The next one is 100% organic coconut melt. This is also full size. This is a virgin organic coconut oil. It is the ultimate moisturizer for stubborn, dry skin or hair in need of a tall drink of coconut hydration. It is packed with essential fatty acids, proteins, and vitamin E to leave your skin feeling instantly more moisturized as well as radiant and glowing. And the last item in this bundle is the Mango Ultra Restore Body Butter. And this is going to be a deluxe mini, and it is going to be 2 ounces. It says restore your dry skin instantly and over time. This is a luxurious, fast-absorbing mango moisturizer clinically proven to immediately double as your skin's moisturizer. The next bundle that we have is going to be from this brand that is called MoonOral Care. and this one is going to cost $16, and the full retail on this is just under $40. And they're saying this one here is the MoonOral bundle, is about taking care of your pearly whites. The first item is the Vanilla Mint Teeth Whitening Pen. This is going to be full size. It is a pocket size pen that helps to whiten our teeth. They're saying it is a necessity. They're saying it is a convenient little pen that features a gentle formula made with a peroxide and a light reflecting pigment to help to effectively yet gently whiten our teeth within time. Plus, the refreshing rose mint flavor takes the whole experience to the next level. The next item in here is going to be their charcoal whitening toothpaste. This is going to be a 4.20 ounce, also full size, and it has a great whitener, brightener, and smile. And this is a non-abrasive, fluoride-free charcoal toothpaste. It is packed with natural ingredients like cranberry extract and green tea. It has a sparkling formula that is powered by this Elixir X, which is their trademark. It's a blend of 10 antioxidants and essential oils for the detoxifying gum gently brushing experience. They also have in here, again full size, the MoonOral Soft Bristle Toothbrush, and they're saying this will be upgrading your brushing routine with a sleek, sophisticated toothbrush designed to visibly result with 720 ultra-fine DuPont bristles and a lightweight silicone and ABS handle. It makes every brush effort really comfortable. So those are all the items that are in here, and I'm going to just swing this up just a little bit here. And I'm just going to double check something within the shop that I did not set up just yet. So give me a second here to go through. So those are all the holiday bundles that I have that I wanted to share with you guys here. Let me just see if I can get this a little bit bigger on the screen so you guys can see that they changed here it into the IPSY shop. And you're seeing here now that they're going to have sections where there's gifts under $10, gifts under $20, gifts under $30, gift sets, and luxe gifts. So I'm going to go through all of those. Like I said, I haven't gone in here yet. I just wanted to share with you that the bundles are now live, and they are at the top of here where you're going to see that they just dropped. They have some other items that just dropped as well. A new palette from Polite Society, and I'll just go through all of these quickly that I can just scroll for you guys so you guys can see some of the new just drops. And if you're not part of IPSY yet, this is the time to join. And if you are looking, to budget yourself in a way that you want to save money on a lot of skincare, a lot of makeup, tools, everything, IPSY is the place to shop, but you need to be a member. And to be a member, you just have to sign up for one of their subscriptions, either the $14 glam bag or the BoxyCharm box, which is 5 full sizes. I always have my link in the description box, and you can always, I'll try to pin it in the comment here. I always appreciate if I have a link that you use it, because it is given to me by IPSY, and I always want to make sure that if I am sharing with you information and you're able to use my links, I always appreciate them as well. I do not have a lot of links, but I do have some, and when you use them, it helps this channel out as well. But remember, this is all about the IPSY shop. We're starting already early to slay our holiday shopping with gift-worthy bundles from our IPSY favorite brands, like the ones that we just shared. So I hope everyone had some information here that tells you a little bit more about what is in the bundles, because that I know helps me. And as I'm getting ready to do it for myself, instead of doing it for myself, I set it up here on camera so we could do it all together, so that I'm able to not edit, do my research at the same time that I'm able to share it with you guys. And that's what makes us a community here, because now it is your turn to share in the comments what you think about these bundles, and if you've had the opportunity to try any of the products. It helps everyone else make a more educated decision on how we are going to spend our dollars this holiday season. And that's it for this video, guys. So everybody, continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next video. Take care, everybody, and bye for now.